of maintenance you have to undertake on your plane. Either, okay, I might not necessarily crash, but you know the sudden braking, I'm assuming you also have similar
Brake
parts
pads.
like brake pads, clutch.
Yeah, you have
People who can't drive manual cars, where I work for having serious costs because of that. So I'm assuming it's the same with
So with the freight train and moving license, you limit
those costs. Maintenance costs. Yeah,
are limited.
I would say that. Because here I can afford to make all the mistakes. Like you said, initially I was making a lot of mistakes, but after about 10 or so minutes, I now knew how to handle this. I now knew what not to do. So, yeah,
So all in all, this is an essential tool for learning
for learning how to fly, it's very essential. Seriously, for me, the most important thing is to reduce your maintenance costs.
You're using the
Brake pads, and I don't know what your equivalent
At 11:70, are you ready?
is. I don't know. But,
At
yeah.
11:70, RNAV Delta
And it's
125.013,
fine.
125 by clear for takeoff.
okay?
Sure, this was fun. And you know, when you know what I can make a mistake and not get